In this video, my goal is to show you how you can install C++ compiler on the Windows operating system. This is slide number 23 in 01 Introduction to CS.pptx that you have. It lists all the steps that you have to do to install G++. So here it is. The first step is to go to this website. I already opened it and go to the installation, the installer, and you download it. So let me press this and download the installer. It's going to take a couple of seconds for it to download. Once the download completes, I'm just going to execute it. So there we go. So I'm just going to double click on it to install the MySys environment first. Don't change any defaults. So it's going to install all MySys related files into C MySys 64. Just press next, next, next. And it's going to take some time for it to complete. When MySys2 installation is complete, you're going to see this dialog box. You're going to see that this checkbox which says run MySys2 now is checked. Just press finish. It's going to run MySys2. So you're going to get this command line of MySys2. This is where we are going to install the C++ compiler. So if you go back to the slide, it says after installing MSys2, run the following command to install a C++ compiler and debugger. And the command is pacman -s dash dash needed base development and so on and so forth. So if you go to the command line that opened up, the MSys command line, I just typed in that command. I'm just gonna press enter to start the C++ compiler and debugger installations. Just say all right? So just default yes, and it's going to say take some time for it to download all the packages and install them. All right, so the installation of C++ compiler is complete. You can see that the command line finished installing all the packages, and now get the prompt. You can now close this and open up a Windows Explorer by pressing this PC. And we're going to go to local disk C. That's where all the packages were installed. And you can see this directory, msys64. Go in there, and then you're going to see Ming W64. That's where the compiler is installed. And the bin directory, that's where our compiler will be located. And you can see that it's g++.exe and also gdb.exe. That's the As a last step, we are going to take the path where the G++ compiler is installed and add it into the environment variables. To do that, go into the search and type env. You're going to see edit system environment variables appear. Press on it. Then go to environment variables. In the system variables portion, go to path and say edit and then new. A text box will appear at the bottom. Just copy and paste the path where you have installed your C++ compiler, which was in my case C /msys64 /ming w64 /bin. Say press OK, press OK, press OK, and you're done. As a final step to test whether my G++ compiler was installed properly, I created this directory called CPP workspace. I'm going to go there, press the right mouse button. It's going to say open in terminal, which is what I do. Now you can see the content of this file by saying cat ex.cpp. This is nothing but the Hello World application that we're going to cover in class. And how do we compile this thing? So let me clear the screen, and then I'm going to say G++ -o ex.cpp to get the executable. Now you can see that there's the executable.exe, and it's just type ex to execute it, and hello world will appear on the screen. This shows me that the C++ compiler is installed properly on my Windows machine.